In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today I'll show you how to add two different ranges to one dropdown in Google Sheets on desktop. This is perfect when your list of choices lives in two separate areas of a sheet and you want a single, clean dropdown for data entry. We'll keep it simple, clear, and focused so you can follow along without missing a beat. Start in your Google Sheet and click once on the cell where you want the dropdown to appear. Picking the exact cell first ensures the settings apply in the right place and saves you from having to redo anything later. Next, look to the top menu bar, click Data, and choose Data Validation. This opens the validation settings, where we tell Sheets what kind of list we want and where it should pull the options from. In the Criteria section, open the dropdown and select List from a range. This tells Google Sheets that your choices will come directly from cells in your spreadsheet rather than a manually typed list. In the range box, enter your two ranges separated by a comma. For example, type Sheet 1 A2 A5, Sheet 1 C2 C5. You can also click the grid picker to select the first range, then type a comma and add the second range manually. If the ranges are on different sheets, include the sheet name each time. If a sheet name has spaces, wrap it in single quotes like Product List. A2, A5. Keep in mind that the dropdown will show values in the order you list the ranges, and duplicates, if any, will appear as is. Make sure the option labeled Show Dropdown List in cell is checked. This gives you the small arrow in the cell, making it obvious that there are choices to pick from, which is especially helpful for anyone else using your sheet. Click Save to apply the data validation. Now, click back on your cell and you should see the drop-down arrow. Open it and you'll notice the combined choices from both ranges in one list. As you update any values inside those source ranges, the drop-down updates automatically, so you don't have to revisit the settings just to reflect new options. That's all there is to it. You selected the cell, opened data validation, chose list from a range, entered two ranges separated by a comma, ensured the drop-down appears in the cell, and saved your changes. And that's how you add two different ranges to one drop-down in Google Sheets on desktop.